Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a kitchen game changer that is about to save your food from the trash, the Avid Armor Chamber Vacuum Sealer. If you are tired of throwing out half-eaten bags of meat or freezer-burned veggies, this one is your ticket to fresh meals for weeks longer. Picture sealing up marinated steaks for the grill, portioning out bulk buns of nuts or cheese without waste, or even sous vide cooking like a pro, all with a machine that sucks out air like a vacuum boss. No more freezer bags that leak or hand pumps that fizzle out. This pro-grade sealer makes meal prep smart and your wallet happy. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Avid Armor deserves a spot on your counter. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us break down the features of this sealing superstar. First, the build is tough and user-friendly, with a compact chamber about 15 inches wide, 9 inches tall, and 13 inches deep, weighing around 12 pounds for stability without taking up too much space. The housing is durable ABS plastic with a stainless steel chamber lid that flips open easily, and it comes in black for a sleek look. The heart is the chamber vacuum system, which removes all air for a complete seal, unlike edge sealers that leave pockets. It has a 25-watt pump that pulls a vacuum down to minus 14 inches of mercury in about 20 seconds for dry goods, with a liquid sensor that pauses for moist foods like soups to prevent mess. The sealing bar is 8 inches long, double wire for strong, double seals on bags up to 12 mils thick, and it heats to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 seconds. Controls are simple with 3 modes: dry for meats and veggies, moist for liquids like marinades, and manual for custom time up to 99 seconds. There is a pulse button for delicate items like bread and a countdown timer on the digital display. It includes a starter kit with 20 bags and rolls, a bag cutter, and a 1-year warranty on parts and labor. The chamber holds bags up to 10 by 12 inches, and the removable tray catches any drips. It runs on standard 110 volts with a 15 amp draw, and the lid locks securely with a safety switch. Price is around $199, a fantastic entry to chamber sealing. Okay, now for the real talk, pros and cons after sealing everything from steaks to leftovers. Pros first. Number 1, the chamber vacuum gets every bit of air out, extending fridge life up to 5 times longer for meats and produce. Number 2, the liquid sensor is a lifesaver, sealing soups without sucking them in. Number 3, double seals hold up to boiling or freezing without breaking. Number 4, the starter kit gets you going right away. Number 5, easy mode selection and pulse make it beginner friendly. Number 6, compact size fits small counters and the tray keeps things tidy. Overall, it slashes food waste and saves money fast. Now cons, because nothing is perfect. 1, the $199 price is higher than basic edge sealers. 2, the chamber is small for bulk items like whole roasts. 3, it is louder than handheld models during vacuum. 4, bags and rolls add ongoing cost. 5, 12 pounds makes it less portable. 6, no built-in bag storage. But here is the thing, the pros crush the cons for most. If you meal prep weekly, buy in bulk, or hate waste, this makes total sense. It is not for one-bag wonders, but for practical savers wanting pro seals, it is a yes. So my recommendation, snag the Avid Armor Chamber Vacuum Sealer today. It turns grocery runs into savings and meals into keepers. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your fridge will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more money-saving tips and click the link to support us. What are you sealing first? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. You are awesome. If this helped, like the video, share with a friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.